What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your portfolio on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in LinkedIn, and then you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Simply click on this website, and after coming here, you can just sign in with your email, or you can continue with Microsoft. Now, after signing or logging in, here you will see this is the homepage of LinkedIn. And then on the right side at the top, you have the profile icon, and then you can see the me option. Click on this and then click on view profile. After clicking on view profile, you click on add profile section. And after that, scroll a bit down and then go to the recommended section. And after coming to the recommended section, click on add featured. Now, after coming here, on the right side, you can see this plus icon. Click on this plus icon and then click on add a link if you have a link of your portfolio. And if you have an article, you can click on add an article to add an article of your portfolio. Or if you want to add a post and you want to showcase your portfolio through a post, you can click on add a post and then showcase your portfolio. But let's say if you have a link, click on add a link and then add your portfolio link. After that, click on save, and your portfolio link will be able to appear to other people on LinkedIn. So this is how you can add your portfolio in your LinkedIn profile. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.